Let us start drawing ledger accounts. Now we are having already journal entries with us. I am having journal entry with me. You are also having journal entry, and we have passed journal entry for the period of April, May as well as June. So we have passed journal entry for 3 months, and now we are posting this journal entry into ledger accounts. And this is how ledger accounts will look like. Of course, in the case in place of particulars, I have prepared both column date and particulars. Rupees, date, particulars, and rupees. This is debit side. This is credit side. In last lecture, we have learned how to speak journal entry in two ways. We are starting with ledger posting by taking first journal entry. Which is the first journal entry? Cash account debit to Yash Capital. I will speak it in two manners. Cash account debit to Yash Capital, and number two, Yash Capital account credit by cash. So there are two ways of speaking this journal entry. Cash account debit to Yash Capital, and another way is Yash Capital account credit by cash. So this will be the first posting, and all of you will do along with me. We are posting this cash account debit to Yash Capital. So cash account debit side to Yash Capital. What is the date? 1st April. What is the amount? 2 lakhs rupees. Cash account debit side to Yash Capital. Yash Capital account credit side by cash. What is the second way of speaking this journal entry? Yash Capital account credit. Yash Capital account credit by cash. And what was the amount? 2 lakhs rupees. Which is the date? 1/4. So I have given two effects. Cash account debit side to Yash Capital. Yash Capital account credit side by cash. And what I do over here, try to concentrate. In journal entry, I will tick mark that I have posted it. Cash I have posted, and Yash Capital I have posted. Now I am having journal entry which is written by Priyansh of your class. The point is I am making some correction. Try to understand. When you write down cash account debit to Yash Capital, this T should be capital. Right? Otherwise it is alright. So first posting cash account debit side, I have written to Yash Capital. Yash Capital account credit side, I have written by cash. Let us go to second one. So see, I'm tick marking even what I am writing it down. Second journal entry. 1st April 2022. Bank account debit to Yash Capital. Bank account debit to Yash Capital. I am speaking it in two ways. Bank account debit to Yash Capital. Yash Capital account credit by bank. Bank account debit. This is bank account. Bank account debit to Yash Capital. Which is the date? 1/4. Amount is 3 lakhs rupees. Yash Capital account credit by bank. Yash Capital account credit 1/4 by bank. What is the amount? 3 lakhs rupees. Please understand, this is also true. One effect of a journal entry will come on debit side. One effect of the journal entry will come on credit side of ledger account. See over here. This is debit side. This is credit side. As both the posting are on same page, I am explaining you. One will be on debit side, another will be on credit side, because one is debited, another is credited. What is the two ways of speaking it? Bank account debit to Yash Capital. Yash Capital account credit by bank. I have posted this journal entry. I can tick mark it. Bank, Yash Capital. Third journal entry. Furniture account debit to Yash Capital. Yes, Bhavik?
Hello, sir.
Yes. Yes, Bhavik, tell me.
It is necessary to write
No arrows are not required, right? You are talking about this arrow?
yes.
No, that is not required. That I am writing just for explanation. Okay. Third. Okay, Bhavik, you are on the line. You will need to tell me two ways in which I will speak this third journal entry.
The third journal entry is furniture account debit to Yash Capital account. This is the first way.
Okay.
Yash Capital account credit by bank account is the second.
By bank.
Yes.
It is third journal entry. Huh? Furniture account debit
Furniture.
by furniture account, right? So, how you will post it? First, tell me whether I should, in which account I should go.
In furniture account.
Furniture account, what I should write it down?
First the date and then we will write to Yash Capital account.
Okay. I think I have missed out furniture account. I have not drawn furniture account, but I am having a way in which I can draw it. All right. Furniture account. Tell me, furniture account which side? Bhavik.
In debit side.
What I should write down?
First the date and in particular to Yash Capital.
To Yash Capital. Again, it is 1-4. And tell me the amount.
1 lakh.
All right. Second effect. Give me second effect. In which account?
In Yash Capital.
Yash Capital account. Which side? By? By furniture. How much? See, this is art of solving the question. Whenever you post the journal entry, try that you tick mark over here. Legally not necessary, but the thing is that you will come to know that you have already posted two effects. In furniture account debit side to Yash Capital, and in Yash Capital you have credited furniture. Fourth one. Mehta's account debit. Actually, it is a deposit with Mehta. Deposit with Mehta account debit to cash. 1 lakh rupees. Two ways of speaking it. Deposit of Mehta account debit to cash. Cash account credit by deposit to Mehta. Deposit with Mehta account debit. Mehta deposit account debit to cash.
Sir,
Date is 6th April. Yes?
sir, one journal entry remaining.
Which one?
It is a purchase account.
Okay, goods. Yes, I think Priyansh has missed that out. But what is that journal entry? Can you help me out?
Purchase account debit to Yash Capital account.
To Yash Capital. Yes, he has brought in the goods. What is the amount?
2000.
2000. Alright, we will post this also. After that, we will be posting Mehta's account. But first, let us do this. Purchase account debit to Yash Capital. Do it. Purchase account debit side to Yash Capital. Yash Capital account credit side by purchase. Purchase account debit side to Yash Capital. 1st April, 4,000 rupees. Yash Capital account, credit side, 1st April, by purchase, 2000 rupees. Two effects. One in purchase account, debit side, 4000 rupees. Another is Yash Capital account, credit side, 2000 rupees. One will be on debit side, another will be on credit side. If you know two ways of speaking the journal entry, you can always post the journal entry. So I have posted this journal entry. You should tick mark the journal entry which you are posting. Next one. Meta account debit or deposit with Meta account debit to cash. Two ways of speaking it. Deposit of Meta account debit to cash. Cash account credit by Mr. Mehta. First way of speaking it, deposit with Meta account debit to cash. Meta deposit account debit to cash, which is 1 lakh rupees. Cash account credit by Meta's deposit. Cash account credit by Meta's deposit. Cash account credit side by Meta deposit. 1 lakh rupees. What is a good way? Tick mark the journal entry which you have posted. Next one, 6th April. Furniture account debit to bank. I am having Bhatti Durva. Can you speak on your... Yes. You need to tell me two ways of speaking this journal entry. Yes.
And bank account by furniture.
Bank account which side?
Debit side.
Bank account.
No sir, credit side.
Okay. So furniture account debit side, should I write down to bank? Furniture account. Furniture account debit side to bank. 40,000 rupees. Good. And bank account credit side by furniture. How much? 40,000 rupees. Good. It is 6th April. So date is 6th April. Next one, 9-4. Computer to Golmaal computer. Bhavik.
Yes, sir.
You need to tell me two ways of speaking it, also where it will be posted. Yes.
First way is computer account debit to Golmaal Computers account,
Yes.
and the second way is Golmaal Computers account credit by
Yeah.
computer account.
Good. So tell me where I should go first. Computer account?
First, computer
Which side?
debit side.
What I should write down?
Date is 9/4.
Yes.
On that we will write to Golmaal Computers 25,000.
Good. And second entry?
In Golmaal Computers account,
All right.
in credit side,
Yes.
by computer account.
By computer account. What was the figure? 25,000. Good. Good boy. So this is computer to Golmaal computer. All right. Next one. Furniture to cash. Havi. Havi Desani. So if your parent's name is written, it might be your parent's name, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Tell me the two ways of speaking this journal entry.
Furniture account debit to cash account,
Okay.
and second way, cash account credit by furniture account.
Exactly. First, I should go to furniture account.
Yes.
Which side?
Debit side.
Debit side. To
So
how much money?
20,000.
20,000. And second,
Cash side.
cash account. Which side?
Credit side.
Buy
Furniture account.
buy furniture.
20,000.
20,000. Good. So we have passed this journal entry. Next is purchase account debit to cash.
Sir,
Kavya, yes,
sir, I have a doubt.
yes.
Sir, yesterday you told that what is the benefit of preparing this ledger account, so I just forgot it. Can you again tell me?
We'll be doing it when we complete it, right? We cannot have an idea when we. I have not told you what are the benefits of preparing ledger account, right? Once we complete ledger accounts, I can tell you what we'll be taking out from that ledger accounts, right? Next, 15th April, Kavya Patel. I will be speaking your screen name, right? Yes, 15th April, purchase account debit to cash. You need to speak it in two ways and help me out where I need to post it. Yes,
Do cash account debit.
your voice is not much audible. Naman, can you tell me? Patel Naman,
Yes.
tell me two ways in which I can speak this journal entry.
Purchase account debit to cash.
And second way?
And cash account credit
Yes.
by purchase.
Good. So purchase account debit side to cash. Purchase account debit side to cash. Amount is 4,000 rupees. Date is 15/4. And cash account credit by purchase 4,000. Cash account credit by purchase 4,000. So we have passed this journal entry. Let me now change the color so that you can understand. 4,000. Patel Naman, you can switch off your mic, right? Because it will be a disturbance. All right. Next one. Purchase account debit to Mr. B. You need to tell me two ways of speaking it, Krishna Patel.
Yes, sir.
You need to tell me two. Yes.
Purchase account debit to Mr. B,
Yes.
and second way of Mr. B credited Mr. B account credit by a purchase account.
Good. So you need to tell me where I should go. First, where I should go, in which account?
Purchase account.
Yes. Debit side.
Yes.
What I should write down? To Mr. B. What is the amount?
2,000.
2,000. A second account, where I should go?
Mr. B.
Mr. B account. Which side?
Credit side.
Yes.
And,
What I should write down? By purchase
Purchase account.
account. Good. 19/4. And what is the amount?
2,000.
2,000. Good. So I'm tick marking the journal entries which I have already posted. Next, 20th April. Cash account debit to sales. Kunal, you need to tell me two ways of speaking it.
Cash account debit.
Yes.
Sales account.
Yes.
Sales account credited by cash account.
Alright, you need to tell me first which account I should go.
Cash account.
Cash account I am going. Tell me what to write it down.
Debit side.
Yes.
Sales account 2,500.
Good. And second?
Sales account.
Yes.
credit side
Yes.
cash 2500.
Good. We have done this. Next is cash account debit to sales. So same journal entry. So I am posting it. Cash account debit to sales 1000 rupees. Cash account debit side to sales account 1000 rupees 20th April. Sales account credit 20th April by cash 1000 rupees. So this is even done. 22nd April, again the journal entry is same, so I am passing it on my own. Cash account debit to sales account, same thing. Figure is 300. Cash account debit to sales account 300 by cash 300. So I have passed this, posted this journal entry also. Next, 22nd April, Mr. C account debit to sales. 22nd April. Who will tell me? Mowli. Your screen name is Mowli. Who are you? I don't know. Neil. Yes, Mowli. Mowli, you can tell.
Mr. C account
Yes.
to purchase.
It is sales.
Sales.
Okay. Mr. C account debit to sales. And second way of speaking it?
Sales account credit to Mr. C.
By Mr. C. Yes. So Mr. C account debit side to sales. Mr. C account debit side to sales. What is the figure is 500 rupees 22nd April. 22nd April to sales 500. Second effect, sales account credit side, yes, by Mr.
C.
C. What is the figure?
500.
500. Good. Mr. C to sales, we have posted. Mr. Y account debit to sales. Same type of effect will be there. So I am passing it on my own. Mr. Y account debit side to sales. Mr. Y account debit side to sales. It is 23rd April. Amount is 600 rupees. Sales account credit side by Mr. Y. By Mr. Y. Amount is 600 rupees. So I have posted this journal entry. It is the entry of credit sales and I have just posted it. Next is the 24th April purchase account debit to Mr. B. Now as it is a purchase account and we have done purchase account before also, I am just posting it. Purchase account debit to Mr. B 3000. Purchase account debit 24th April to Mr. B 3000. Mr. B account credit by purchase account 3000. So purchase and sales, I am not asking you. I am just posting it as a journal entry. Purchase account debit to Mr. B. We have posted it. Purchase account debit to cash 2000 rupees. Purchase account debit side to cash 2000 rupees. Cash account credit side by purchase 2000 rupees. I have posted this journal entry also 25th April. 26th April, again easy one. We have done it before, so I am doing it. Cash account debit to sales. Cash account debit to sales 25th April 400 rupees. Sales account credit side by cash 400 rupees 25th April. Again, same type of journal entry. I am passing it on my own. Cash account debit to sales. Cash account debit side to sales 200 rupees. Cash account debit side to sales 200 rupees 26th April. Sales account credit side by cash 200 rupees. So debit effect, credit effect, I can go ahead. Cash account debit to sales I have passed. Mr. C account debit to sales. Yes.
Sir, if two journal entries are on the same date and they also have the common structure like cash account debit to sales account, cash account debit to sales account, then can we merge it?
No, you should not merge it because they are separate journal entries. See, one you might have sold at 9 o'clock, one goods you might have sold at 9:30. So if you are passing continuous journal entry, both journal entries should be normally separate. Wages account Mr. C account debit to sales. Mr. C account debit to sales. We have already passed it? No, it is second. 29th April, Mr. C account debit to sales. Mr. C account debit to sales 29th April 1000 rupees. And sales account credit by Mr. C. $1,000. So we have posted this journal entry. 30th April. Wages account debit to cash. A new journal entry. So I am asking one of the person, Neil.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, wages account debit
Yes.
5,000
Okay.
to cash account credit.
No.
The
You-
second way, cash account credited by wages account.
By wages account. Now you tell me where I should go first. Which account?
Wages account,
Wages account. Which side I should go?
debit side.
Wages account debit side to
Cash account,
cash account. How much amount?
5,000.
5,000. What is the date?
20, 37.
30th April. All right. And second effect. Tell me on which account in which account I should go?
Cash account,
Cash account.
credit side.
Yes. By
Wages account,
5,000. 30th April. Good. Wages account debit to cash. Next is 30th April. Salary account debit to cash. Who will tell me? Prithviraj Singh.
Yes, sir.
You need to tell me two ways of speaking this journal entry. Salary account debit to cash.
Salary account debit to cash.
Yes.
Cash account credit by salary account.
Good. So first where I should go, in which account?
Salary account.
Okay. You need to help me out. Salary account.
Debit side.
Yes. Debit side to
Cash.
cash. How much money?
2,000.
2000. And the second,
To cash.
in which account?
Credit side.
Cash account credit side. By
Salary.
salary. Good.
2,000.
Good. 2000. Salary to cash. We have posted it. Rent account debit to cash. Rent account debit to cash. Prince Ratsi Goyal.
Yes, sir.
Rent account debit to cash.
Rent account debit to cash.
Yes.
Account credit by rent.
Alright. 8000. So first I should go to rent account, right?
Yes.
Rent.
Debit side to cash.
Yes. To cash.
8,000.
8000, right? And second one.
Cash account.
Cash account.
Cash account.
Which side? Yes.
By rent.
By rent. 8000. Good. Next. 30th April. Cash account debit to scrap account. So this is an income, will be somewhat difficult. Priyansh. Priyansh, you also had some doubt. You can clear it out. First tell me this posting. Priyansh. I think we have lost him. Radip C. Goyal, you need to tell me two effects of this.
Account debit, scrapped account credit by cash.
Good. So cash account debit side to scrap 1000. Cash account debit side to scrap 1000, and scrap account credit side, scrap income account credit side by cash 1000. Good. Cash account debit to scrap we have posted. Please understand, when you tick mark this, you need to remember that you have given two effects, one on debit side and one on credit side. 30th April again. Loan of Appu. We have received loan of Appu. So cash account debit to loan of Appu. Who will tell me? Priyansh, you have come back? No. Vatsal. Vatsal. You need to tell me two ways in which I can speak this.
Cash account debit to loan from Appu.
Yes. Just unmute once again. You need to unmute once again. By mistake, you are muted. Yes.
Debit to loan from Appu.
Yes.
And loan from Appu credit account by cash account.
Yes. You need to help me out of cash account. Which side I should go?
Debit side.
Yes. To loan from 2,50,000 and 30th April. And second account,
Loan from Appu.
loan from Appu account. Which side? Which side?
Credit
By?
by cash.
Good. 2 lakh 50,000. 30th April. Once you on, yes. It is cash account debit to loan from Appu. We have posted the journal entry. Next, 30th April, drawings account debit to cash. Yash.
Drawings account debit.
Yes. To?
To cash.
Yes. So drawings account debit side, should I go and write down to cash on debit side?
Yes.
What is the amount? 10,000, right?
Yeah.
And second effect?
Yash drawings.
Yes, drawings I have written to cash.
Cash.
Cash account on which side? Yes. Cash account credit side by Yash drawings. What is the amount?
10,000.
10,000. So I have completed posting of journal entry from journal entry to ledger accounts of for the month of April. So April we have completed, we have posted, and please understand posting remains the same. So in May also we will be following same rule, in June also we will be following same rule, and we will be posting all the journal entries in our ledger accounts. Let us start with the month of May. Priyansh, you had some doubt. Okay. I think his connection is not good. All right. First May. Loss by spoilage account debit to purchase. Again, Bhatti Durwa.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you need to tell me two ways in which I should speak, in which account I should go and write it down.
My spoilage account debit to purchase
Yes.
500 rupees.
Loss by spoilage account debit. Yes. To purchase 1st May. 500 rupees. Second effect.
Purchase account credit by loss by spoilage.
Loss by spoilage. 1st May. 500, right? Alright, good. Loss by spoilage, purchase. Both effect I have given. One on debit side, one on credit side. You can go ahead. There's a similar type of journal entry, so I am passing it. Loss by theft account debit to purchase. Lost by theft to purchase. Amount is 100 rupees. 2nd May. And purchase account credit loss by theft 100 rupees 2nd. So we have done posting of this. Again, this is a very simple journal entry and same journal entry, so I am passing it on my own. Loss by fire account debit to purchase. So loss by fire account debit side to purchase 3rd May 500 rupees. Sorry, it is 900 rupees. Loss by fire is 900. And purchase account credit side by loss by fire 900 rupees. So I have given debit effect, credit effect, posted both the effect. I can go ahead. Next, 4-5. Loss by fire account debit to cash. Yes, Radipsi, you can. Radipsi, you need to give me two effects, and then you need to switch off your mic. Yes.
Yes, but I'm absent, but I can give. What
Yes.
is the question, sir? Can you tell again?
You need to speak journal entry in two ways of this transaction 4/5/2022, which is loss by fire account debit to cash.
Loss by fire account debit to cash is the first type, and cash account credit by loss by fire.
All right, you need to also tell me in which account I should go and write it down. I am first going to loss by fire account. Which side I should write it down?
Debit side, sir.
Debit side to cash.
account.
Yes. How much money?
600 maybe.
Okay. Let me see it. 500. It is 500.
Fire.
All right. Yes. And second effect where I should write it down?
Cash account, sir.
Yes. Cash account. Which side?
Credit side.
Credit side by loss by fire.
By fire.
What was the date? Was 4/5. 500. Good, yes. You need to switch off your mic. Loss by fire to cash. 9/5. Insurance premium account debit to cash. Who will tell me? Naman. Yes.
Loss by fire account.
No. It is next journal entry. Insurance premium account debit to cash.
Insurance premium account debit side.
Insurance premium account.
Debit side.
Just a minute. Let me find it out. Yes. Insurance premium account debit side to
To cash.
cash. How much money?
500.
500. And what is the date?
5.
All right. And second effect. In which account I should go?
Cash account.
Yes.
Credit side.
Yes. Buy insurance
Premium.
premium. It is 500, right? Good. Insurance premium account debit to cash, which is 9/5. 14/5. Please try to understand. Now we are coming to a journal entry where three accounts are affected. What is the journal entry? Loss by rain account debit, insurance account debit, insurance company account debit to purchase. Loss by rain account debit, insurance company account debit to purchase. So let me write down the journal entry. What is the journal entry is? Loss by rain account debit, insurance company account debit to purchase. And what was the amount? Was 600, 400 and 1000. 600, 400 and 1000. Please try to understand, even if there are three accounts affected, we will be speaking, actually these are two journal entries. This is not one journal entry, these are two journal entries. And which are these two journal entries, I'll tell you. Instead of this journal entry, I could have written this. Loss by rain account debit to purchase account. How much? 600 rupees. And which is another journal entry? Insurance company account debit to purchase. How much? 400 rupees. So actually this journal entry is a mixture of this two journal entry. So if I want to do posting of this, Instead, what I can do is I can post this journal entry as well as I can post this journal entry. I can post this two journal entry instead of this journal entry. So I will not be posting the combined journal entry. I will separate it and I'll post two journal entries. Loss by rain account debit to purchase. So let me pause it. Loss by rain account debit. Loss by rain account debit to purchase 600 rupees. Purchase account credit by loss by rain. Purchase account credit by loss by rain 600 rupees. I think date is 6/5. See what I have done. I have posted this first journal entry, this as well as this. Now I will post a second journal entry. Insurance company account debit to purchase. How to post this? Insurance company account debit side to purchase. Purchase account credit side by insurance company. So insurance company debit side to purchase 400 rupees. Purchase account credit side by insurance company 400 rupees. So instead of passing one journal entry and giving one effect or two effects in ledger accounts, what I have done, I have separated the journal entry and then posted it. What I have done, if my journal entry was a loss by rain account debit, insurance company account debit to purchase. What I have done, loss by rain account debit to purchase, first part. Second part is insurance company account debit to purchase, second part. And then I have separately posted this journal entry as well as this journal entry. So I have ultimately posted this journal entry and that will be all for it. Neil, you are having any doubt? Your hand was raised. Yes.
Sir, it,
Sorry, Neil, you are muted by mistake. Can you, yes,
hello.
yes.
Sir, is there any way to post this combined journal entry?
Yes, there is a way to post this combined journal entry. I'll tell you how to post this combined journal entry. But the thing, we will be having other journal entries in which we are having like cash discount. We will be having three effects, right? There will be a combined journal entry and I'll give you an easy way to post this. It is not very difficult, right? But right now you need to separate it and you need to understand this is how the journal entry is posted. But when we will go to cash discount, I'll teach you even the combined method. So if you have not done it, try to write it down in your book. Which journal entry I have passed? Loss by rain account debit to purchase. Purchase account credit by loss by rain. Another is insurance company account debit to purchase. Again, purchase account credit side by insurance company. So I am tick marking this particular journal entry. How many effects I have given? I have not given 3 effects. I have given 4 effects. Loss by rain account debit 600 on debit side. Insurance company account debit side to purchase 400 rupees. Purchase account credit side by loss by rain 600 and by insurance company 400. 14/5. This was 14th May. Next one. 15/5/2022 and we are coming to this cash discount type of journal entry. Please try to concentrate. Purchase account debit to cash to discount. Now I will be passing a combined journal entry. See, I will not be having every time to separate the journal entry. So I will be passing a combined journal entry and how try to concentrate. First, let me write down the journal entry. Purchase account debit so that all it is visible to all of you in very easily manner. Purchase account debit 900. purchase account debit 900 to cash 855 and to discount 45. Now all of you will concentrate over here. There is three ways in which this journal entry can be spoken. Concentrate. Purchase account debit. Purchase account debit side. Debit, I am writing even side. Purchase account debit side, I will be writing two things. To cash 855. To discount 45. So for this journal entry, purchase account debit side, I will be writing two effects. To cash 855, to discount 45. Number 2. Now I am starting this. See, I have done this. I am starting this. Cash account credit side, I will write down by purchase, which is 855. And discount account credit side, discount account credit side, I will write down by purchase 45. And that's it. Try to understand, whenever there are two effects, it is somewhat typical. But it is easy. But when there are three effects, it is somewhat typical. How I have written down? Purchase account debit side. How much debit I need to do of purchase? 900. On which account? Cash and discount both. So purchase account debit side, I will write down two things. To cash 855 and to discount 45. So on debit side, I have written two things, 855 and 45. Let me go and write it down. Purchase account debit side, to cash and to discount. Let me even change the color. Purchase account debit side, to cash and to discount. Cash is 855 and discount is 45. Date is 18/5. So purchase account, I am directly going into debit side and writing two things. To cash 855, to discount 45. So I have done this. Right. Now, cash account credit side, I will be writing only one thing. By purchase. Cash account credit side, by purchase. And what is the figure? 855. Now we know this. Cash can be credited only by 855 because actually 855 is only going out. So by purchase 855. And discount. So I have done this. Cash account credit side, I have written by purchase 855. Discount account credit side, I will be writing down by purchase of 45. Discount account credit side, I'll write down by purchase 45. This is how I pass ledger account effect or posting of this all transaction. This is also done. So if purchase account debit to cash to discount is there, purchase account debit side, I will be writing two things, to cash to discount. Cash account credit side, I'll write down buy purchase 855. And discount account credit side, I'll write down buy purchase 45. This is how the posting of the journal entry will be done. Please understand. Let me explain you once again because it is somewhat typical. It is not much typical. Once you'll understand it, it will become extremely easy. What is the journal entry? Purchase account debit 900 rupees to cash account 855 to discount account 45. For making it easy, I am drawing that three journal ledger accounts over here. Say this is purchase account, this is cash account, and this is discount account. How I will pass the journal entry? Now I am not writing down everything. Purchase account, debit side. So this is debit side of purchase account. I should write down 900 rupees, but I cannot directly write down 900 rupees. So I will write down to cash 855 to discount 45. So purchase account debit side. What I am writing it down to cash 855 to discount 45. Ultimately, what I have written in purchase account 900 rupees. I have written ultimately 900 rupees, 855, 45. Sir, why we cannot write down directly 900? If you write down directly 900, say I'm writing down directly 900. What you will write down over here? This will be a question mark. Right? So I cannot write down directly 900. I'll write down to effect. To cash, to discount. Cash account, credit side. Because this is credit, to cash is credit. So credit side by purchase. And how much is the cash figure? 855. Discount account credit side again by purchase because the debit side of it is purchase. By purchase. Are you getting it? These are the effects or posting of this journal entry into which account? Ledger accounts. Purchase account debit side to cash to discount 855 and 45 respectively. Cash account credit side by purchase 855. Discount account credit side by purchase 45. So this is for overview. I have written all these things on one page so that you can understand what will actually happen. Purchase account debit side to cash to discount. Cash account credit side by purchase and discount account credit side by purchase. All right. I have already passed the journal entry in all the accounts, so I can tick mark that particular point. Next is easy, so I am doing it on my own. Purchase account debit to Mr. N. It is 19th of May. Purchase account debit to Mr. N account. Purchase account debit side to Mr. N. Date is 19th May 1350. 19th May 1350. And N account credit side by purchase 1350. N account credit side by purchase 1350. So what we have completed? We have completed all journal entries posting up to 19th of May. And we will be completing in next lecture up till 30th of June. And then we'll be again going into preparing trial balance and final accounts and so on. So what was only good point today? If there are three effects, how to post it in our ledger accounts. If there are three effects in our journal entry, purchase account debit 800 to cash 700 to discount 100. Purchase account debit side to cash 700 to discount 100, both on debit side. Cash account credit side by purchase 700 and discount account credit side by purchase 100. This will be the effect of ledger account.